For my physical education resources, I started with a few websites that promote health and physical education. Shape America has resources for professionals by providing webinars and workshops, and you can find the websites for that right here. Also, it has strategies for teachers and parents, which you can find here. And it also shows ways you can advocate for health and physical education. Choose My Plate helps with dietary options through recipes and menus to make healthy eating easier, and those can be found right here. Also, the image shows what your plate should look like, and many people don't know that, and that's why this website really is helpful. Action for Healthy Kids is a place where parents can learn how to model good, healthy behavior, and also help schools receive grants if they apply so they can change the healthy environment of their school. The book Get Up and Go helps promote practice positive body image and how it's good to exercise to support your individual body type. And these two articles I found are about studies that show how fitness and healthy lunches better learning. Thank you.